What's up, fellow traders and meme enthusiasts? Welcome back to our Wall Street Bets channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that will surely blow your mind. We're diving into the world of Wall Street Bets and uncovering the stories of the top 5 most profitable users in its history. So buckle up and get ready for some astonishing tales of triumph. Number 5 on our list is u/DiamondHands 6969. This user became an overnight sensation when they posted about their massive GameStop options play. They turned a modest investment into a mind-boggling $6 million profit when GameStop stock exploded in early 2021. DiamondHands 6969 quickly became a symbol of the little guy taking on the big hedge funds and winning. Next up at number 4, we have YOLO Timber. This Wall Street Bets hero made an unbelievable $10 million by betting against oil prices during the historic oil crash in 2020. YOLO Timber saw an opportunity when oil futures collapsed into negative territory and seized the moment, making a fortune while many others were left reeling from the chaos. Moving on to our number 3 spot is Options or Bust. This trader is famous for their incredible options plays that consistently deliver mind-blowing profits. Options or Bust's most notable trade was during the recent AMC entertainment frenzy. They turned a modest investment into a whopping $15 million profit as the meme stock soared to new heights. This trader's fearless and strategic approach to options trading is an inspiration to us all. Now brace yourselves for number 2 on our list, YOLO Tendies. This trader's story is truly extraordinary. YOLO Tendies amassed an astonishing $20 million fortune by skillfully navigating the cryptocurrency market. Their well-timed investments in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies during the 2017 bull run paid off handsomely, cementing their place as a Wall Street Bets legend. And finally, taking the crown as the number 1 most profitable user in Wall Street Bets history is none other than Deep Fucking Value. Get ready for an incredible journey of triumph and diamond hands. Deep Fucking Value, also known as Deep Fucking Value, captured the attention of Wall Street Bets and the wider financial world with their incredible GameStop play. This user, whose real name is Keith Gill, made an extraordinary bet on GameStop that turned him into a symbol of the little guy taking on the big hedge funds. Keith Gill, a former financial advisor and investor, first started sharing his analysis and thoughts on GameStop on the Wall Street Bets subreddit back in 2019. He believed that GameStop, a struggling video game retailer, had the potential to turn its fortunes around and become a valuable investment. Keith's deep research and conviction resonated with many fellow Wall Street Bets users, and they followed his journey closely. He posted his positions, documenting his bullish stance on GameStop through options and stock purchases, even when the stock was trading at single-digit prices. His dedication and unwavering belief in GameStop caught the attention of the wider financial world, including some skeptical Wall Street analysts. But Keith stayed true to his conviction, holding on as the stock price experienced wild swings and facing numerous challenges along the way. And then, in January 2021, the GameStop frenzy exploded. Triggered by a massive short squeeze initiated by Wall Street Bets traders, the stock skyrocketed to unimaginable heights. At the peak of the frenzy, GameStop shares hit an astonishing $483. Keith Gill's initial investment of around $50,000 turned into a mind-boggling fortune. His GameStop position was valued at over $50 million at the peak, making him one of the most successful and famous traders in Wall Street Bets history. But Deep Fucking Value's impact goes beyond just making a fortune. His story inspired millions of retail traders, showing them that by doing their own research, staying true to their convictions, and holding strong during turbulent times, they too can challenge the Wall Street establishment. Keith's journey also shed light on the power of social media and online communities like Wall Street Bets in democratizing finance. It showcased how individuals, armed with knowledge and collective action, can disrupt the traditional dynamics of the stock market. So Deep Fucking Value's story is not just about profit, but about empowerment and the potential for change. It reminds us that the stock market is not just a playground for the wealthy elite, but a space for everyone to participate and have their voices heard. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 most profitable users in the history of Wall Street Bets. These traders have made fortunes and captured the imagination of millions with their audacious moves and uncanny ability to spot lucrative opportunities. Remember, these stories are not just about massive profits. They represent the power of individual traders coming together, sharing ideas, and challenging the status quo of Wall Street. They show us that with knowledge, research, and a little bit of luck, everyday traders can achieve extraordinary results. So stay tuned for more epic Wall Street Bet stories and analysis right here on our channel. Until next time, keep those diamond hands strong and may the tendies rain down upon you.